The Audi Q7 key fob battery for 2016-2022 models typically needs replacement every 2 to 4 years. A weak battery can cause the remote to function intermittently or stop working altogether. You'll need a new CR2032 lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. Open the key fob by inserting the screwdriver into the slot and gently prying it open. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side should be facing up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the remote to ensure it's working. If the remote still doesn't work, refer to the troubleshooting section. Use high-quality CR2032 lithium coin batteries to prevent premature failure. Environmental factors such as extreme cold or heat can exacerbate battery drain, leading to more frequent replacements. If your Audi Q7 key fob still isn't working after a battery replacement, try these troubleshooting steps. First, check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean them with isopropyl alcohol if necessary. If that doesn't work, you may need to resync the key fob with your vehicle. This can usually be done through the infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, Key. Important tips: avoid using non-genuine batteries as they can cause issues. If the case is difficult to open, apply gentle heat to loosen the adhesive. According to experts, annual battery checks can prevent lockouts. Swollen batteries in the remote after hot summers are a common reason for failure. Replace with a fresh CR2032 battery. Always dry the fobs after exposure to car washes or rain.